They call me Kenneth Murray. That's my white name, and if you want to know it in Wiradjuri language, it's Enikarima. My other name is Uncle Tunny Murray, and if you want to, my tribal name is Taramara. And I'm a Wiradjuri man bred and born in Griffith, but lived more or less in Darlington Point on a reserve where we were sent as young people. I never ever remembered that there was an healthcare, and seemed that no one cared. So back in those days, right up until I was 21, I never ever heard of it. Never existed, I don't think, as far as I know anyway. In this generation, I think we're over the last 15 years, I think it's since I've come here, I recognise that we get looked after a lot better since I was. You know that I'm still getting over problems with white medical standards and white, how would you say it, like we got here. Yeah. I couldn't go in and sit down with, say if there's 6 or 7 seats and 7 of them or 5 of them being filled, I couldn't go in there and sit. I had to go outside and wait because I still had that I don't know what it is, but I've grown up with, I just couldn't stand.
Is it like
I was afraid to sit in, see what they would thought of me.
Yeah. Was it like a mistrusting?
Yeah, I didn't trust them.
Yeah.
And I still got a bit of that left, within me. Yeah. Same as if I go over to surgery, like over there where I've got to get a heart thing done, I'll look around and see if there's how many white people sitting in there, and if there's too many, I'll go outside and tell them to call me in.
Yeah. And being here at an Aboriginal medical service, what's the difference?
It's unreal. I can go in there and be free to do what I want to do. I talk, laugh. It's so friendly. Yeah. I don't know, it's just a different feeling. People don't understand. They really don't understand Aboriginal people. We weren't born in that. We weren't even thought of. My grandparents weren't even thought of. My great-great-grandparents, their great-great-grandparents before that, before whoever come in on a boat, right? That was back in those days. Things happened. Can you imagine today is 2019. We were never ever seeing what happened, but our storyline, our songline is still within the Aboriginal people. Today, children know what happened in the past. So it's something you'll never get rid of. They talk about treaty. Before they can get treaty, they've got to know the truth. And without the truth, we'll never get a treaty because they don't understand that we're all different cultures today. We all got to learn to live together, but until they learn the truth, mate, nothing will happen. When you get older, you'll find out when you get older that it's a very lonely life being old, over 70. It's a lonely life, and you can just imagine what young people are feeling like. But when you get old, it's very lonely. You got your missus to look after. When you get home, you lay down at night, you feel like that's it, the end is near. Death's not far away. That's life, we've got to handle it, and it's hard to handle. And the only way to handle it is when I come to the men's shed. To have cultural awareness, to don't read it out of the books, come face to face with an Aboriginal elder and learn who we are. That's why I never wear a tag. If I go into a meeting and people ask me, will I put this on your chest? I say no. If you want to know me, shake my hands and talk to me.
Yeah.
Then we get to know each other. But that's the problem today, is that they come in blind and don't know what they're walking into. Because we're Aboriginal, when you come in to talk to Aboriginal people, we're entirely a different kettle of fish. We're angry, we're happy, and we're very, very, very inquisitive. And because we're brought up that way, we just can't go through life without knowing the past.